Hello everybody, this will be my proposal video for research methodology on my research entitled Assessment of Reading Difficulties of Grade 6 Pupils, Basis for a School Reading Program. I'm Carla Jinsi Bungato, Teacher 2 from Pantalan Bago Elementary School, 9 years in teaching and GSP coordinator. I'm saying that the more that you read, the more things you will know, the more that you learn, the more places you go. In my introduction, reading is widely recognized as a fundamental skills that enables learners to access knowledge, develop critical thinking, and succeed academically across disciplines. It is a complex cognitive process that involves decoding, fluency, vocabulary development, and comprehension. And also, reading difficulties refers to challenges encountered by learners in understanding written text, recognizing words accurately, or interpreting meaning from passages which may hinder their academic progress. In the context of elementary education, particularly in grade 6, reading proficiency becomes crucial because pupils transition from learning to read towards learning to learn. The present study focuses on assessing reading difficulties among grade 6 pupils and identify the nature of these challenges based on teachers' perceptions. In this study, the independent variable refers to the teacher assessment or perception of pupils' reading difficulties, while the dependent variables relates to the development of a school reading program designed to address in identified literacy gaps. So, another introduction is understanding these variables is essential for establishing effective intervention that enhance learners' reading competence and academic achievements. Recent study highlight issues such as weak decoding skills, limited vocabulary knowledge, slow reading, fluency, and inadequate comprehension strategies among learners. In the context of elementary education, particularly in grade 6, reading proficiency becomes crucial because pupil transitions from learning to read towards reading to uh, and learning to learn. And the present study focuses on assessing reading difficulties among grade 6 pupils and identify the nature of these challenges based on teachers' perceptions. In this study, the independent variables refers to the teacher assessment or perception of pupils' reading difficulties, while the dependent variables relate to the development of a school reading program designed to address identified literacy gaps. And finally, in our introduction, from the global perspective, reading difficulties among elementary learners remain a major concern in many educational systems. International research indicates that a considerable number of students fail to achieve expected literacy levels by the end of primary education, affecting their academic performance across subjects. So, in our conceptual framework, so we have input process, and output. First, in our input, so here, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and number 5. So, ayan. Number 1, demographic profile of the respondents in terms of age, gender, and highest educational attainment. Number 2, reading difficulties of reading pupils will be described in the areas of words recognition or decoding. Number 3, areas of reading difficulty. Number 4, assessing reading difficulties for planning, instructional strategies, and intervention for grade 6 pupils. And also, this process, research instrument is to make teachers or teacher-made survey questionnaires. In our statistical tool, are weighted mean, percentage, rank, and t-test. So, in our output, a district-wide seminar workshop titled Grade 6 Reading Assessment or Program, or also known as GREF, a school reading program. So, in our statement of the problem, the primary focus of this study involves around the assessment of reading difficulties among grade 6 pupils, which serves as the foundation of designing an effective school reading program, recognizing that the reading is a critical skill for academic success. This research aims to systematically identify the specific challenges learners face in coding, fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension. By examining teachers' perception and assessments, the study seeks to bridge the gap between observed reading difficulties and the development of target interventions, ensuring that the resulting reading program is both relevant and responsive to the actual needs of the pupils. Another one is another statement of the problem. The study will be guided by the following key inquiries. What are the demographic profile of the respondents in terms of age, gender, highest educational attainment, total number of years of teaching, and number of the years handling grade 6 pupils. So, after that, another question is how many reading difficulties of grade pupils describe in the following areas: word recognition, decoding, reading fluency, vocabulary comprehension, and text comprehension. Another one, which areas of reading difficulty should be prioritized in school-based reading program. One is decoding, fluency, vocabulary, expressions, and reading motivations and interest. Another statement of the problem: how is assessing reading difficulties for planning instructional strategies and intervention for grade 6 described in following domains. First is remedial reading classes, field tutoring or body reading workshops or literary camps, use of leveled reading materials, and integration of technology-assisted reading tools. And another question is, what reading intervention or programs do you consider most effective based on your assessment of pupils' reading difficulties? So, in our statement of the problem, there is hypothesis. Okay, we have two hypotheses here. One is null hypothesis and another one is alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis: there is no significant relationship between teachers' assessment of grade pupils' reading difficulties and the identification of areas to be prioritized in a school reading program. Another one is alternative hypothesis: there is a significant relationship between teachers' assessment of grade 6 pupils' reading difficulties and the identification of areas to be prioritized in a school reading program. In my method, based on my research study, based on my research design, assessing grade 6 reading difficulties typically use mixed method, descriptive, correlational, or action research approaches to identify deficiencies in comprehension, fluency, and vocabulary. Key assessments involve looks like the ERI diagnostic test and the questionnaires, targeting factors like home environment, parental involvement, and motivation. And in our correspondence, assessment of reading difficulties among grade 6 pupils, consistently identifying comprehension, vocabulary, knowledge, and word recognition as the primary areas of struggle. Research involving respondents, including pupils, teachers, and parents, indicates that while many students may appear proficient in basic words identification, they often fall into the frustration level when required to perform deeper inferential comprehension. So, in our instruments, assessment of reading difficulties in grade 6 pupils involves identifying challenges in fluency, comprehension, and vocabulary, using tools like Philippine Informal Reading Inventory or PhilErie. Oral reading fluency checks and diagnostic assessments. Key methods include tracking words correct per minute, evaluating silence reading, and testing for literal and inferential comprehension. So, in our sources of data, data assessing reading difficulties in grade 6 pupils is primarily really gathered through a combination of standardized tools, informal inventories, and direct classroom observations. These sources allow educators to identify specific struggle with areas like phonics, fluency, and comprehension. So, in our data collection procedures, data collection for assessing grade 6 reading difficulties primarily involves the Philippine Informal Reading Inventory or PhilErie, individualized oral reading tests to check for fluency, and closed tests for comprehension. In our ethical considerations, assessing reading difficulties in grade 6 pupils requires strict ethical adherence to informed consent from parents or guardians, protection of pupils through anonymity or using pseudonyms. Okay. So, and secure the data management. Assessment must be conducted in comfortable environments to minimize anxiety, avoid stigmatization or struggling readers. And in my data analysis, analyzing reading difficulties for grade 6 pupils requires a structured data assessment that combines quantitative performance metrics with qualitative observation of behavior and environment. By this grade level, assessment shift from basic decoding to complex comprehension and fluency. Okay, in our references, from Castell, from Christodoulou, from Denton, and Apable PFS, Lausa. Ayan, so this is my references. And for my request letter to request reading assessment for grade 6, you should draft for a formal letter addressed to the school principal or the special education director. The letter must clearly state the purpose or requesting a comprehensive reading evaluation. Provide specific observation of the pupils' difficulties and include your contact information. So this is my letter of request. Next is to read the instruments, the key assessment tools and instruments. Okay? The first one is PhilErie. So we are commonly identified what is PhilErie. So commonly used DepEd approved tool designed to assess oral reading, silent reading, and silent reading comprehension. So example is Dibels or Acadians. So ayan. Diagnostic assessment. Another is informal reading inventories or IRIS. Another one is teacher created classroom based tools and computer adaptive tools or iReady or STAR. So these are the example of my instruments. So that's all for my video proposal or for my research methodology. Thank you so much and God bless po, Ma'am Rose. So that's all. Thank you po.